Becoming a licensed electrician typically involves several key steps. Firstly, obtaining an apprenticeship is crucial. Contact local electrical unions such as the IBRU or electrical contractors to inquire about apprenticeship programs. These programs usually last 3 to 5 years, combining classroom instruction with hands-on training. Secondly, meeting education requirements is essential. Most states mandate electricians to complete a certain number of educational IOs. This education can be obtained through apprenticeship programs, vocational schools, or online courses. Thirdly, passing the journeyman exam is necessary. After completing an apprenticeship, individuals must pass a journeyman electrician exam administered by the state licensing board. This exam assesses the knowledge and skills acquired during the apprenticeship. Finally, getting licensed allows you to work as an electrician. Once an individual successfully passes the journeyman exam, they can apply for a state electrician's license. License requirements vary by state, but typically include proof of education and experience, a criminal background check, and examination. Regarding potential job opportunities, several companies may be hiring electricians in Vermont and New Hampshire. These companies may include Global Foundries, Siemens, V-Trans, NH Electric Cooperative, PSNH, and Hitchener Manufacturing Company, Inc. Additionally, online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and TaskRabbit can provide opportunities for electricians to find work. Apprenticeships are a cornerstone of electrician training, providing a structured path to mastering the trade. These programs blend theoretical knowledge with practical experience, ensuring that apprentices develop a well-rounded skill set. Classroom instruction covers electrical theory, safety practices, blueprint reading, and relevant codes and regulations. On-the-job training allows apprentices to apply their knowledge under the supervision of experienced electricians, gaining hands-on experience in installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical systems. Education requirements for electricians vary depending on the state or local jurisdiction. These requirements typically include a minimum number of IOs of classroom instruction and on-the-job training. Vocational schools and online courses can provide additional educational opportunities for aspiring electricians. Completing these educational requirements ensures that electricians have a solid understanding of electrical principles and safety practices. The journeyman exam is a comprehensive assessment of an electrician's knowledge and skills. It covers a wide range of topics, including electrical theory, wiring methods, code compliance, and safety regulations. Passing the journeyman exam demonstrates that an electrician has the competence to perform electrical work safely and effectively. State electricians' licenses are required for electricians to work legally in most states. These licenses ensure that electricians meet minimum standards of competency and adhere to safety regulations. License requirements typically include proof of education and experience, a criminal background check, and successful completion of the journeyman exam. Maintaining a valid electrician's license is essential for continuing to work in the field. Continuing education courses are often required to keep licenses up to date and ensure electricians stay abreast of the latest industry standards and technologies. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a widely adopted standard for electrical installations in the United States. It provides comprehensive guidelines for safe and effective electrical practices. Electricians must be familiar with the NEC and adhere to its requirements to ensure the safety of people and property. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and best practices. Key areas covered by the NEC include wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Understanding and applying the NEC is a critical skill for all licensed electricians. Electrical safety is of paramount importance in the electrical trade. Electricians work with hazardous voltages and currents, and even a small mistake can have serious consequences. Safety practices include wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves, eye protection, and arc flash suits, using insulated tools, following lockout-tagout procedures, and energizing equipment before working on it. Regular safety training is essential for all electricians to reinforce safe work habits and prevent accidents. The electrical trade offers a wide range of career opportunities for skilled professionals. Electricians can specialize in residential, commercial, or industrial electrical work. They can also pursue careers in areas such as renewable energy, automation, and electrical design. Experienced electricians may advance to supervisory or management positions, overseeing electrical projects and leading teams of electricians. The demand for qualified electricians is expected to grow in the coming years, making it a promising career path for those with the necessary skills and training. Electrical theory is the foundation of all electrical work. It encompasses the principles of voltage, current, resistance, and power. Understanding electrical theory is essential for diagnosing problems, designing circuits, and ensuring the safe operation of electrical systems. Key concepts in electrical theory include Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's laws, and the principles of alternating current and direct current. A strong understanding of electrical theory enables electricians to troubleshoot complex electrical issues and make informed decisions. Wiring methods refer to the techniques and materials used to install electrical wiring systems. Common wiring methods include conduit, cable tray, and direct burial. Each wiring method has its own advantages and disadvantages depending on the application. Electricians must be knowledgeable about different wiring methods and choose the appropriate method for each installation. Proper wiring practices are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Overcurrent protection is a critical safety feature in electrical systems. It protects against excessive current flow, which can cause overheating, fires, and equipment damage. Overcurrent protection devices include circuit breakers and fuses. These devices automatically interrupt the flow of current when it exceeds a safe level. Electricians must properly size and install overcurrent protection devices to ensure the safety of electrical systems. Grounding is an essential safety measure that provides a path for fault current to flow back to the source. It helps to prevent electrical shock hazards and protects equipment from damage. Grounding systems typically consist of grounding electrodes, grounding conductors, and equipment grounding conductors. Electricians must properly install and maintain grounding systems to ensure the safety of electrical systems. Equipment installation involves the proper mounting, wiring, and connection of electrical equipment. This includes items such as lighting fixtures, receptacles, switches, and appliances. Electricians must follow manufacturer's instructions and code requirements when installing electrical equipment. Proper equipment installation is essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. Troubleshooting electrical problems is a key skill for electricians. It involves identifying the cause of an electrical issue and implementing the appropriate solution. Common troubleshooting techniques include using a multimeter to measure voltage, current, and resistance, visually inspecting wiring and components, and using diagnostic tools to identify faults. Effective troubleshooting skills enable electricians to quickly and efficiently resolve electrical problems. Electricians often work with blueprints and schematics to understand the design of electrical systems. Blueprints provide a visual representation of the layout of a building and the location of electrical equipment. Schematics show the connections between electrical components and the flow of current. Electricians must be able to read and interpret blueprints and schematics to accurately install and maintain electrical systems. Electrical codes and regulations are constantly evolving to reflect changes in technology and best practices. Electricians must stay up to date on the latest codes and regulations to ensure their work complies with legal requirements and safety standards. Continuing education courses and industry publications can help electricians stay informed about changes in the electrical code. Compliance with electrical codes and regulations is essential for ensuring the safety of people and property. Electricians play a vital role in society by ensuring the safe and reliable operation of electrical systems. They are responsible for installing, maintaining, and repairing the electrical infrastructure that powers our homes, businesses, and industries. The work of electricians is essential for the functioning of modern society, and their skills are in high demand. A career as an electrician can be rewarding and challenging, offering opportunities for personal and professional growth. The demand for electricians is influenced by various factors, including economic conditions, population growth, and technological advancements. During periods of economic expansion, there is typically increased demand for electricians to support new construction and infrastructure projects. Population growth also drives demand for electricians, as new homes and businesses require electrical installations. Technological advancements, such as the adoption of renewable energy systems and smart home technologies, create new opportunities for electricians with specialized skills. Electricians who stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends are well positioned to succeed in the industry. The salary for electricians can vary depending on factors such as experience, location, and specialization. Electricians with more experience and specialized skills typically earn higher salaries. Geographic location can also affect salary, as electricians in high cost of living areas tend to earn more than those in lower cost of living areas. Electricians who work in specialized areas, such as high voltage power transmission or industrial automation, may also command higher salaries. The benefits of working as an electrician include good job security, competitive pay, and opportunities for advancement. Electricians are in demand in most areas, providing job security for those with the necessary skills and training. The pay for electricians is generally competitive, and there are opportunities for overtime and bonuses. Electricians can also advance to supervisory or management positions, increasing their earning potential. The electrical trade also offers opportunities for entrepreneurship, as many electricians start their own businesses. Starting an electrical business can be a rewarding way to build wealth and create jobs. However, it also requires business acumen, marketing skills, and a strong work ethic. Electricians who are considering starting their own business should carefully research the market, develop a business plan, and obtain the necessary licenses and insurance. The electrical trade is constantly evolving, with new technologies and techniques emerging all the time. Electricians must be willing to learn and adapt to stay current with industry trends. Continuing education courses, online resources, and industry publications can help electricians stay informed about the latest developments in the field. Electricians who embrace lifelong learning are better equipped to succeed in a dynamic and challenging profession. The role of an electrician extends beyond simply installing and repairing electrical systems. Electricians also play a critical role in ensuring the safety of buildings and occupants. They are responsible for identifying and correcting electrical hazards, preventing fires, and protecting people from electrical shock. Electricians must be knowledgeable about safety codes and regulations and adhere to them rigorously. Their work directly impacts the safety and well-being of the community. Electricians often work in a variety of settings, including residential homes, commercial buildings, industrial facilities, and construction sites. They may work indoors or outdoors in all types of weather conditions. The work can be physically demanding, requiring electricians to climb ladders, lift heavy objects, and work in confined spaces. Electricians must be in good physical condition and able to handle the demands of the job. The electrical trade is a rewarding career path for those who are interested in working with their hands, solving problems, and making a difference in the community. Electricians are essential to modern society, and their skills are in high demand. A career as an electrician offers good job security, competitive pay, and opportunities for advancement. With hard work, dedication, and a commitment to safety, electricians can build successful and fulfilling careers. The aging infrastructure in many parts of the country is creating increased demand for electricians to upgrade and maintain electrical systems. Many older buildings and homes have outdated electrical systems that need to be replaced to meet current safety standards and handle increased electrical loads. Electricians are needed to install new wiring, upgrade electrical panels, and replace old fixtures. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years, providing ample opportunities for electricians. The growing popularity of electric vehicles is also driving demand for electricians to install charging stations. As more people switch to electric vehicles, there is a need for charging stations in homes, businesses, and public locations. Electricians are needed to install these charging stations and ensure they are properly connected to the electrical grid. This is a new and growing area of opportunity for electricians. Smart home technology is also creating new opportunities for electricians. Smart homes are equipped with devices that can be controlled remotely, such as lighting, thermostats, and security systems. Electricians are needed to install and configure these smart home devices and integrate them into the home's electrical system. This is a rapidly growing area of the electrical trade. The demand for electricians is also being driven by the increasing use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Electricians are needed to install and maintain these renewable energy systems and connect them to the electrical grid. This is a growing area of opportunity for electricians who are interested in sustainable energy. Electricians must have a strong understanding of electrical theory and be able to apply that knowledge to practical situations. They must be able to read and interpret blueprints and schematics, troubleshoot electrical problems, and install and maintain electrical systems. A strong foundation in electrical theory is essential for success in the electrical trade. Electricians must also be skilled in using a variety of tools and equipment, such as multimeters, wire strippers, conduit benders, and power tools. They must be able to use these tools safely and effectively to perform their work. Familiarity with a wide range of tools and equipment is essential for electricians. Electricians must be able to work independently and as part of a team. They often work on projects with other tradespeople, such as plumbers, carpenters, and HVAC technicians. The ability to communicate effectively and work collaboratively is essential for success in the electrical trade. Electricians must be able to communicate effectively with clients, contractors, and other tradespeople. They must be able to explain technical concepts in a clear and concise manner and provide excellent customer service. Strong communication skills are essential for building relationships and ensuring project success. Electricians must be committed to safety and follow all safety regulations and procedures. They must be aware of the potential hazards of working with electricity and take precautions to prevent accidents. A strong commitment to safety is essential for protecting themselves and others from harm. The electrical trade offers a wide range of specialization options, allowing electricians to focus on specific areas of interest. Some common specializations include residential wiring, commercial wiring, industrial wiring, low-voltage systems, fire alarm systems, and renewable energy systems. Electricians who specialize in a particular area can develop expertise and command higher salaries. Continuing education is essential for electricians to stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. There are many opportunities for continuing education, including courses offered by trade schools, unions, and manufacturers. Electricians who invest in continuing education are better equipped to succeed in a dynamic and challenging profession.